I finally decided that I'm going to resurrect Nature Boy. I was actually really torn about this decision, but I'm not going to feel comfortable on stage unless I'm doing what I know I can't do.
If you want to win this competition, you need to take the help at this point. And Casey chose not to. So he better be right.
There was a boy, a very strange and shady boy. They say he traveled very far, over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, magic day, he came my way, and we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest thing that you'll ever learn is just to love, yeah, and be loved in return. Hey Ray, let's show them what we can do. That you'll ever learn is just to love, yeah, and be loved.